been a pleasure working with Prerna over the last couple of years. An extremely humble person, she's one of the most dedicated professionals that I have ever worked with, who's always willing to go in the extra mile whenever you need it the most.
Namaste and warm greetings to everyone. I'm Prerna Daga and I head marketing and communications for the Westin Gurgaon, New Delhi and the Westin Sohna Resort and Spa, two flagship properties part of the Marriott International portfolio. At the outset, I would like to thank the Hotelier Web team for recognizing and choosing to nominate me for the prestigious accolade of Power 25 Marketing and PR. Born and brought up in the city of Joy, Calcutta, I completed my graduation from Calcutta University and moved on to pursue my MBA in Global Business Management and Marketing from the Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta. I started my career in 2005. With dedication, passion, and a result-oriented approach, I have created a career path for myself as a PR, communications, and marketing strategist. With 16 years of well-rounded experience, I have a proven record of driving revenue gains and brand awareness through intelligent use of traditional and offline marketing, along with digital and social media. During these 16 years, I have worked in the luxury space across diverse industries and various sectors, ranging from real estate to cinema to sports and now hospitality. Working with these international, world-renowned brands has definitely been a progressive and exciting learning curve for me. Having an exceptional eye for detail and a strong aesthetic sense, I believe in the power of engaging communication, visual identity, and words. Connecting the dots to be able to weave larger stories and get them across as engaging themes to various stakeholders, I keep my passion for storytelling and the power to influence the brand front, right, and center. I always think of the line, I've made a living out of reading people's faces when I think about what I do every day. As a leader, it is not always necessary to walk ahead of your team to show them how you did it. Sometimes it is equally important to walk alongside them to show them what they can do. I have realized that leaders don't just create followers, they create more leaders. Over 60% of my day is spent on the floor and in various corners of the hotel, interacting with the F&B team in the outlets, or with chefs in the kitchen, or around the front office, or simply with my phone capturing content. I like to foster relationships and make them last. I invest a lot of time and take interest in nurturing interpersonal relationships with my colleagues. But as busy as we are in our day-to-day lives doing what we love the most, it is very important for all of us to take time to pause, unlearn, learn, and reset. The learning must never stop. We may have many milestones behind of us to be proud, but the journey has just begun. I'd like to quote my favorite poem by Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.